The next in the list is title method. It returns a titled case version of the string where all words start with uppercase characters and all the remaining letters are in lowercase. Now suppose I write str is equal to, and now if I write str dot title, then in this case what will happen? The first alphabet of every word of the string will be capitalized. Next is the replace method. Replace method basically returns a copy of the string with all occurrences of substring old replaced by new string. str dot replace, and the old word that I want to replace, that is string, and with what I want to replace. Suppose I want to replace it with book, so I will write it old comma new, and both I will write it in quotes. So now you can see that the string that you are getting is the replaced one. So original string is not changed. So if I am going to print str, then I will get this only. This is my string, because strings are immutable. So original string will not be modified even if you are replacing. So replace will return a copy. The second last method is split. Split basically splits a string based on the given string or character, and it returns a list containing split strings as members. And if you are not mentioning the character on which the split has to be done, the by default split in the given string will be considered as white space. str, this is my string, this is the string over here, and if I write str dot split, then in this case I am not mentioning any argument in the split. I have not mentioned any separator over here. So space that is there after every word over here, this is the space and this is the space. So on this basis the splitting will be done, and a list is always denoted in square bracket, and each and every word will behave as an element of the list. If I write str is equal to, and I want to split str dot split, and I am passing O over here. So what does this mean? That now O will act as a separator. Wherever the interpreter will find O, at that point splitting will be done. So now you can see that I is included, then L is there. O, the separator is not included, so I will be there, and space and L. So till here it will be one element of the list, but as soon as O is occurred, so here the splitting will be done. So here another member of the list will start. So comma will be there, VE, and then space, then PYTH. Up till here another second element of the list. Then again O is there. So this O, at this O the split will be done and it will not be included in the list. So the last one is N. The last method is partition. Partition also splits the string, but it splits the string at the first occurrence of the separator and returns a tuple. If I take a string txt and then I write txt dot partition. Now in split, if we don't pass an argument, then it will work, but in partition we have to specify argument over here. So let's say I want to do the splitting from working, so I will write working. So now you can see that I love is written over here, then working, the partition, or you can say the splitting is done at this working. So now in split, whatever argument we were passing, that was not returned. Like if I write txt dot split, and I give the alphabet say O. Now you can see that here first of all it is a tuple that is enclosed in parentheses, and here it is a list that is enclosed in square brackets. Second difference, in partition the word that we are passing as argument, that is included, so working is included, but here the substring, or you can say the separator that we are providing, that will not be included. So I space L, this will be one element, then O, splitting is done, O will be removed, VE space W will be there, then again O is there, so the splitting will be done, O is removed, RKING space ING, then again PYTH, till here it will be one element, and then at O splitting will be done, O will not be included, and then N. And in split, if we are writing txt dot split, and if we are not passing any argument, then by default the splitting will be done on the basis of white spaces. But instead of split, if I write partition without any argument, then this will give you an error. So these are the basic differences between the split function and the partition function. So this was all about the topic string. Thank you.